We all have heard of the amazing benefits of apple cider vinegar, but do you know what the top health benefits to this golden elixir are? I'm Nanette, certified master herbalist and founder of aimtohealth.com. The first health benefit is that apple cider vinegar kills harmful bacteria and viruses. It's been traditionally used to clean ear infections, clear head lice, clear up nail fungus, remove warts, and to treat athlete's foot. And here's a special note: warts on the skin are caused by viruses that invade the skin layers. So apple cider vinegar is fantastic to help remove warts. Now, Hippocrates is an ancient Greek physician who was born way back in 460 BC, and he was known as the father of medicine. He used vinegar to clean infections out of wounds, and that was highly successful. The second top health benefit is that apple cider vinegar helps with weight loss. Apple cider vinegar is known to be a very strong digestive stimulant, enhancing the secretion of stomach acids and digestive enzymes. Apple cider vinegar also aids in weight loss by increasing the feeling of fullness and controls appetite. In fact, including a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water every day can help you eat as much as 275 calories less per day. And that's incredible. One study that included giving apple cider vinegar every day to overweight participants for 3 months resulted in a significant reduction in both belly fat and weight loss. The third health benefit is that apple cider vinegar helps with irritable bowel syndrome, also known as IBS. The reason for that is apple cider vinegar contains helpful bacteria that helps to prevent and reduce gut irritation and gut inflammation, resulting in reduction of belly bloating. While apple cider vinegar contains large amounts of beneficial bacteria, to get your probiotics, you'll want to use fermented vegetables, and you can click on the link up there to learn how to make your very own fermented vegetables. The fourth health benefit of apple cider vinegar is that it helps to reduce your risk of heart disease and stroke. Well, how does it do that? It reduces LDL levels in the blood, which is a type of cholesterol that causes plaque buildup in the arteries. While apple cider vinegar improves heart health by this mechanism, it doesn't replace eating a well-balanced, nutritious diet and, of course, exercise. The fifth health benefit is that apple cider vinegar helps to lower blood sugar levels, which is especially important for those who are suffering with type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes is where the body has an inability to produce enough insulin. So you can say that it helps to keep the blood sugar levels in a normal range. Including apple cider vinegar either in warm water before meals or in a salad with your meals produced lesser fluctuations in blood sugar and insulin. So you'll want to choose a very good quality apple cider vinegar. This is the one that I love to use, and what I love about it is it's raw, it's unprocessed, it is naturally made, and it contains the mother. And if you look down here, the mother is this little bit of sediment that you see underneath here at the bottom. And you have to always make sure that you shake it before you use it. And it is organic and it has such a great taste. So here's how you'll want to take it every day. 1 to 2 teaspoons mixed in water half an hour before meals, or add that amount to a salad. You'll want to make sure the amount of apple cider vinegar totals to at least 1 tablespoon per day. So those are the top health benefits that you can obtain by just implementing 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar into your daily routine each and every day. So share this information with your family, your friends, and be sure to hit the like button and to subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you'll know when the next time I put out a video. And until next time, stay safe and be well.